In this video we're going to create an expert advisor that uses Bollinger Bands to manage a trailing stop loss. The EA will monitor the lower Bollinger Band as price moves and adjust the stop loss dynamically as the trade progresses. So let's get started. First we need to open the meta editor. We can do this by clicking the IDE icon in the toolbar. Now we click new. We choose expert advisor template, which is usually the default, and we click next. Now we need to give the file a name. I'll call mine Bollinger Trail Expert Buy, but you can use any name that you prefer. Once you have done that, we click next, next and finish. Once the template loads, we remove everything above the onTick function and we delete the 2 comment lines at the bottom. Now that we've cleaned everything up, we need to begin by including the trading library. This gives us access to simplified trade execution functions. And now we'll create an instance of the ctrade class, ctrade trade. All of our main logic will go inside the onTick function, and at the top we declare a static variable to store the last known stop level from the Bollinger Bands. Static variables hold their values between ticks, allowing us to track trailing logic without resetting. Next we calculate the ask and bid prices. We use digits to format the prices according to the symbol's decimal position. Obviously some symbols have 3 digits, some symbols have 5 digits. Now we need to check if there are any open positions. If there are none, then we'll open a buy position. This will place a test trade, buy in 0.1 lots with a 150 point take profit and no stop loss initially. We then reset the trailing stop level. Okay, now let's move on to the Bollinger Bands logic. First we need to create 2 arrays, one for the upper band, one for the lower band. We sort both arrays from the most recent candle downward. Now we need to define the Bollinger Bands indicator using the iBands function. This uses a 20 period moving average with a deviation of 2 calculated from the closing price. We copy the indicator data into the arrays. And we now extract the most recent lower band value. We'll now check if the current bid price is above the last lower band and if the band value is higher than the last recorded stop level. If that is true, then we call our custom function and we update the tracking variable. So our custom function check Bollinger by trailing stop we haven't actually created yet, so let's create that now. Inside we will loop through all of the open positions using a simple for loop. We will check that the position belongs to the current symbol. Then we get the position type and ensure it's a buy trade. Now we'll retrieve the positions ticket and the current stop loss. And finally, if the current stop loss is lower than the new Bollinger Band level or not set, we modify the stop. Now everything is done, we click compile, and if there are no errors we can go back to MetaTrader 5. We will need to open the strategy tester. You can do this by clicking view and then going down to strategy tester. Select the file that we've just created, make sure visual mode is enabled and then click start. You should now see your EA managing trades using Bollinger Bands and dynamically trailing the stop loss. And that is it. You've just created a fully functional EA that uses Bollinger Bands as a trailing stop system. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.